My name is Afir. I'm a sales consultant at Livermore Ford. I have Karen and Brian McMahon, who just bought a beautiful Ford Escape, and we congratulate you. And Karen and Brian, where do you live? What city?
We live in Pleasanton.
Pleasanton. And how did you find about us?
We
Livermore
found you
Ford.
on Google.
On Google, and we connected through emails.
Right.
And what would you say your memorable experience at this dealership in the last few days?
We've had a great experience.
We appreciate again that. And again, if you have any questions, any concerns, please give me a call. I'm always available. Thank you very much.